project titled ML Model Speech Emotion. So now coming to the introduction part, the development of an ML model for speech emotion recognition signifies a bridge between human emotion and technological advancement. By unraveling the emotional tapestry woven into speech, this innovation has the potential to redefine how we interact with machines and delve deeper into understanding human expressions, fostering a more empathetic and responsive digital world. As with any technology challenges such as cultural nuances, varied speech patterns, and privacy concerns should be addressed in the implementation of the ML model. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to bridge the gap between human emotions and technology. By accurately identifying and understanding emotional cues in speech, this innovation has the potential to elevate human-computer interaction, facilitate research, contribute to mental health applications, and ultimately enhance our understanding of the intricate relationship between emotion and language. Researchers can utilize the technology to analyze and quantify emotional patterns with a large data set, providing valuable data for studies on human behavior, sentiment analysis, and emotional well-being. This objective underscores the potential for cross-disciplinary collaboration and knowledge advancement. So now coming to the requirements part, we have two types of requirements, that are hardware requirements and software requirements. So in hardware requirements, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirement part, Python IDE, there is 3.7 version is required. So now coming to the methodology part, first we have generate and load speech emotion model. This involves creating and loading a machine learning model specifically designed for speech emotion recognition. This model is trained using various speech samples and corresponding emotion labels to learn patterns that link different vocal features to specific emotions. Second, we have upload speech file. It refers to the process of providing an audio file containing speech to the loaded model. This audio file could be a voice recording or any speech segment. The model uses the features of the speech to predict the underlying emotion conveyed in the spoken words. Third, predict emotion. Predict emotion is the core task of the loaded speech emotion model. Once the audio file is provided, the model applies its learned knowledge to analyze the features of the speech and predict the most likely emotion expressed in the audio. This prediction can include emotions such as happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, and more based on the acoustic characteristics of the voice. Fourth, exit. Exit marks the conclusion of the current process or operation. In this context, exit could indicate the end of the emotion prediction task, suggesting that the model has made its prediction based on the provided speech file. So now coming to the execution part. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. Here we have a folder named as i.pynb checkpoints. So in this folder we are containing a dataset over here, another folder named as dataset. In this we are containing some folders over here with the name as actress, and in all these folders we are containing some modules over here. Another folder named as models. In this again we are containing some dataset over here for the model. Another folder test speech. In this we are containing some testing speech over here for testing it. And this is the main Python file which is containing the Python script in it. And here this is a scalar.txt file. This is a run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. So now to run the project, double click on run.bat file to execute the project. So here this is the graphical user interface. With this we are interacting with the program. Now click on generate and load speech emotion model button to load the model. So here you can see that the model is loaded over here. And now click on upload speech file button to upload the file. So suppose here I am selecting the third file over here. And now click on open button to upload the file over here. So you can see that the selecting and uploading 3.wave file has been uploaded over here. And so now you can see that the upload speech file is predicted as neutral, and similarly you can upload and test with other images over here, speech files over here. So now click on predict emotion button to get the output. So here you can see that in this image the speech file predicted as neutral over here. So now closing this image, And now click on exit button to exit with this application. So now coming back to the conclusion part. In an era where technology increasingly intervenes with our human experience, the ML model for speech emotion recognition stands as a beacon of progress, reaffirming our commitment to leveraging innovation for a more empathetic and connected world. By deciphering the intricate emotional tapestry woven into our spoken words, we unlock a realm of possibilities that harmonize human sentiment with the power of machine learning, enriching both our interactions and our understanding of what it means to communicate in the digital age. The responsible development and deployment of this technology ensure that the benefit it offers are shared across all communities while safeguarding individual rights and cultural sensitivities. In an era where technology increasingly intertwines with the human experience, the ML model for speech emotion recognition stands as a beacon of progress, reaffirming our commitment to leveraging innovation for a more empathetic and connected world.
For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Project's YouTube channel and subscribe.